Good morning, baby. Good morning, Sonia. Good morning, baby boy. Good morning, honey. Good morning, handsome. Here's Mama's boy.
Look, you managed to get all the way to the side of your crib.
Hi, baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You sleep good? Yeah, I know, you like playing in your bed. You were way over here, but then you made it over here. Little stinker.